In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable casting using Microsoft Edge. Casting allows you to enjoy your favorite media on a larger screen like a smart TV or a Chromecast device. This feature comes in handy whether you're watching videos, streaming music, or even just wanting to share a web page with others. So let's dive right in and explore how to set this up seamlessly. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. You can do this by clicking on the Edge icon, readily accessible from your desktop or through your Start menu. Once Edge is up and running, navigate to the web page or video you'd love to share on a bigger screen. Whether it's a movie, a music playlist, or an engaging article, make sure it's loaded and ready to go. Now direct your attention to the top right corner of the Edge browser window. You'll notice a three-dot menu icon. This is your gateway to more options. Click it and a drop-down menu will appear. From the list of options you see, select More Tools. This might not be the most obvious choice initially, but it's where the magic happens for casting in Edge. Under More Tools, you'll find an option that says Cast Media to Device. Click on this option. It might take a moment, but soon you'll notice a list pop up showcasing available devices that are capable of receiving your cast. This could be a Chromecast, smart TVs, or any other compatible devices that are connected to the same network as your computer. If you don't see your device immediately, double check that it's powered on and connected correctly. Once you've identified your preferred device from the list, simply click on it. You'll see an indication that the connection is occurring. In just a few seconds, the media you had on your desktop should start playing on your selected device. It's an impressive feature that brings a whole new level of convenience to viewing digital content. While the casting is in progress, you can continue browsing on your computer as Edge handles the streaming to the device independently. Should you wish to stop casting, navigate back to the same menu and find the option to disconnect. It's just as easy to end the cast as it is to start it, giving you full control over your viewing experience. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can now enjoy your favorite content on a larger screen, providing a more immersive viewing experience. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful for enabling casting on Microsoft Edge. Happy streaming!